Hey there, Roblox fans. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated with error code 403, which pops up as authentication failed in Roblox for 2025. Don't worry. It's a common issue related to login problems, server glitches, or account settings, and I'm here to guide you through fixing it step by step. This video will get you back into your favorite games in no time. First, let's understand what error code 403 means. It basically means Roblox can't verify your identity, often due to connectivity issues or corrupted data. The good news is, most fixes are quick and easy. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast enough. Try restarting your router if it's acting up. If that doesn't work, close Roblox completely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart does the trick. Next, head to your device's settings and clear the cache for Roblox. On a PC, go to Settings, Apps, Roblox, Advanced Options, and select Reset. For mobile users, go to Settings, Apps, Roblox, Storage, and clear the cache. This flushes out any temporary files causing the problem. Now, ensure your Roblox app is up to date. Open your App Store, search for Roblox, and hit Update if there's a new version available. Developers release patches all the time to fix bugs like this. If you're still seeing the error, double-check your account details. Log in on a different device or the Roblox website to verify your password and email. Sometimes, changing your password can resolve authentication issues. And hey, if none of this works, it might be a server-side problem. Check Roblox's official Twitter or status page for any ongoing outages. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code 403 for good. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's get you back to playing Roblox. Happy gaming in 2025.